unit. Our university said that there are specific number of NSS units that are allowed.
Let's not digress from the topic. So the main issue is they have started something.
So it's there, sir. NSS unit is there. Yeah.
They have started something. Will the next tier of students continue in the same fashion? Will the next tier of students want to do something in a similar fashion? That is very important. I went to BJ Medical College. I met the students over there like you. And they had started a system of things very unique. Was that they felt that people in the tribal areas were not getting as much exposure to hardcore NEET classes.
Lift for
that
program.
Yeah, that program.
Yeah.
Now, over a period of time, when that thing went up, no, but over a period of time, the guys who have started have got their own agenda, have got their own perspective, everything. You need to look at a thing whether you can initiate something which will have long-term possibilities.
So that is what I want to know. That because you've been into this organization since long.
Yeah. Then in which case? As a founder or as the founders are involved, you have to continue taking out your personal time and continue doing it.
People will join.
See, finally, let's say some NGO joined with me. Now they are no longer with me. I have still continued the work. Same way you and whosoever else has decided to do this work has to continue doing the work. Irrespective of whether you are in a corporate.
We should stick to that commitment, to that agenda that we have started with.
Yes. At your level.
Yeah.
At your level.
Whatever it may be.
Yeah.
As simple as it may be.
Yeah. You have to stick to your agenda at your personal level, so that the next generation of people get inspired by it. And they feel like he did it, let's do it. I don't know where that BJ Medical College thing has gone further.
No, it is rising. Every year they have better results.
So if it is rising, then the question is whether, suppose you 10 are excellent in NEET, cracking the NEET, whatever. Those 10 have to continue to be pioneers for the rest of their lives.
If they are committed.
Yes.
So that is the key, sticking to that.
Yeah, which I'll give you a simple example. There's a guy called Dr. Cholera. He is very good at teaching biology to the 12th standard guys. Okay, he's in Bombay. He charges for those things. He charges money and he has stopped being a medical person. He is only doing biology classes. Same way, if you believe, or the people who started this thing of the NEET thing, believe that they are very good at teaching biology, chemistry and physics, then they have to hold on for the rest of their lives.
Or continue with this.
You cannot make the blunder and say, the next generation of Solapur students should continue. I cannot say that the psychiatrists of Solapur should be equally committed as I am. No. I have to continue with my commitment and continue to be a role model for society that look, this can be done. Let's do it.
So as you gave your word, HOD Medicine said that we will definitely contact you and so because you stuck to it, you gave a word. Yes, our volunteer will come.
Exactly.
So this should go on.
This should go on.
This will be the key.
और मैं तो करके ही छोड़ेगा. मैं दुनिया इधर की उधर जाएगा. I'll come personally in the ambulance and I'll take the patient.
Mad about it.
बस finish.
So this is the key.
Once the word is given, it is given. I don't give a damn for physically seeing the patient. I am treating at least 100 destitutes all over India on WhatsApp. भगवान भला करे, जब होएगा सो होएगा, देखा जाएगा. If somebody arrests me, we'll take a call on it. Let somebody arrest me. करने तो दे.
Wait नहीं करना है, time आनेगा. Now. And if we are stuck to it, commitment. So 3 things, sir. We can just simplify it into a formula.
Yeah.
We have to start now.
Yeah.
To start now, to aim now.
Yeah.
And once we have aimed, once we have committed, we should stick to it.
Yeah. We बोले the original pioneers of your group.
Whoever, whatever.
Yeah.
It may not be like pertaining to my organization, our organization.
Yeah.
It could be anyone with any project, with any service.
Yeah.
But anyone, because everyone is having some different mindset. Someone wants to work for...
Supposing the person who started that program of what is started in BJ Medical College, supposing at some point of time he becomes a very famous and a very busy cardiologist, even then if he is committed to teaching biology on Saturday, he can
find time.
Not only he can find time,
he has to.
It is his moral obligation to society that he has to find time. I can very easily put all this effort and continue private practice and continue
anytime. You can charge bundles of money.
Yeah. So that unless you do that, things don't. What happens is, this is very important. What happens is that the generation believes that अभी हम लोगों ने किया, अभी next generation should pick up. तो help with the next generation. को करना है नहीं करना है वो दूर की बात है. तेरे को करना है तो कर.
Simple.
Simple.
And one last thing, because all my colleagues are standing here,
Yeah.
and these people are organizing. There are 800 people in our college, 800 UG students. But hardly 50, 80 are very actively involved. Hardly 8 to 10, 20 people are the core members. We started this 3 years back, this conference concept. And first conference happened here, second conference, this is the third conference. And people like you motivate us. So this is continuing. Now I am an intern, I am no more here. But still it continues. So we are happy. But because this is a already set system, as a medical college, it is happening. But for an NGO, it will not, as you mentioned, because we have to stick to that commitment. There's not an established system. So this kick, what is there, what you got, or what we people have got, how we can multiply this into all of us. Because we want a better society. Our work will speak. I understand.
Don't attempt right now at this level for multiplication. Multiplication तो बहुत दूर की बात है.
Multiplicity in terms of productivity. Like one person is going, he can be dealing with 50 patients in a day. Much.
Yeah, but then in which case you need to get that many amount of committed people who will do it. If they don't come forward, then what happens?
So what about that ignition? I'm asking.
Yeah, that ignition is a very, very, very slow process, boss.
Okay.
See,
it will happen on
I
its
don't
own.
know whether you are familiar with the geography of Mumbai. I stay in the western suburbs of Mumbai. Kardas is in the central suburbs of Mumbai. The travel time is huge. When I started the project, I thought that I'll get a junior psychiatrist who will join in. And I'll pay him the salary also. I didn't. For your information, I traveled from my house to the NGO in a personal ambulance of mine lying flat because my back hurts a lot. I go in a supine position. I cannot sit in a car. It has reached that level. But I'm continuing. अभी वो उस वक्त मेरे को धुमकी में लगा कि कोई ना कोई जूनियर साइकियाट्रिस्ट आएगा 50,000 रुपए में देगा ही लास्ट 50,000 I'll give 50,000. Despite that, nobody has agreed to join.
Till now.
Again, 6 months back we have got one Nemans female who has joined.
But nobody after such a long period.
Yes.
मतलब मैंने सोचना वाजिब ही नहीं है.
नहीं, वाजिब ही नहीं है. Correct है. So finally, अभी मुद्दा तूने उठाया है.
बस लेके चलना है.
लेके चलना.
बाकी कुछ सोचना नहीं.
That is a hallmark.
होएगा.
That is a hallmark. नहीं होएगा नहीं होएगा दूर की बात है.
But if we are into it,
see that again is a mistake. कि होएगा. नहीं हुआ तो तूने तो अपना आत्मा दिया ना उसमें. Good enough.
So my satisfaction is that
Yes,
I have done my job.
Yes. Supposing I never got the Raymond Maxis award, I would have still continued doing
That
the
really
same.
doesn't matter if we are passionate about the
So don't think of होएगा.
हाँ.
That is a mistake. There is हर घर तिरंगा अभी आया.
Yes.
Okay. Are you aware of who designed the national flag? The national flag was designed by a guy called Pingali Venkaiah.
Yes.
Who died in absolute poverty, for your information, in India. Now the golden question is, nobody knew about him. I read about him somewhere and I researched and I have a tendency of researching on people. Now the golden question is, suppose Pingali Venkaiah is awake, is alive, sorry. And you go and ask Pingali Venkaiah, sir, देखो आप flag बना रहे हो, आपका flag चुना जाएगा, but finally you will die in absolute poverty.
He will not. When if he is fond of money, but he was patriotic.
Yeah, so if he is patriotic, he'll make that flag, na?
That is what. So we have to be like that.
Yeah. You have to be like that. If you look up the freedom struggle over the years, there are innumerable people who are involved in the freedom struggle. They died.
Not mentioned anywhere.
I see.
But they did their part.
Yeah.
They died.
Same way, you have to do your part because you are getting emotional satisfaction out of it, boss.
That's a trigger.
Yeah, that's it. So तेरी आत्मा की पुकार जो है वही आत्मा की पुकार है और कुछ है ही नहीं. As simple as that. If you follow your atma's पुकार, end of the story.
It's clear.
I mean, see, there is no gun pointing on my head for me to pick up that patient at Gadchiroli. Nothing. There is nothing telling me to pick up that patient on the road when you are drinking gutter water. Nothing.
No.
It is your atma ki pukar.
When I first read your Wikipedia, sir, after we were told my son is going to come, I said, in schools we are taught Baba Amte's chapter. I said, these Baba Amte. It's not. It's for us to
see, at the end of the day, you have to realize that the emotional satisfaction gets you. At some point of time, it gets you by your throat and you don't want to give up on it. And you are not going to give up. And if you don't give up, now the question is whether you are socially accepted or not, whether you are socially recognized.
That is all another least important points. बस यही था सर कि
अभी so many of the reunions are so good. So many people telling me, अरे यार तू social media पे डाल दे. Hey, not to miss an opportunity of talking to medical students or
more aware they are. So it will मतलब fertile land में खेती ज़्यादा अच्छे से होगी.
I've given a talk in BJT. I'm giving a talk in IIT Madras in October. So hopefully things should work out. Something might work out.
Yes, sir.
Okay? The key thing in this whole thing is that you expect that the next guy who's in first MBBS will do exactly what you want to do. That will not happen.
You have to stick to it.
You have to stick.
That's so simple.
Mudda tera hai, you stick to it. Don't blame the corporator, don't blame the MLA, don't blame the MC, don't blame anybody. You are responsible. You took up the mudda, you do it.
So if we imagine ourselves in that post, saying that I am unendingly responsible, limitlessly responsible, then it will keep the ignition and it will work. It will go. That's it.
If you look at the graph of Anand Grover, who's the advocate, he and Indira Jaising were recently fighting for Varavara Rao, who was caught in the Bhima Koregaon this in 2018. They got him permanent bail now and last week 2022. 4 साल एक ही केस के पीछे लड़े हुए.
Divangi ji, passion.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you so much, sir.